In this video, we will show you how to customize the data screens on your Forerunner 265 smartwatch in the Garmin Connect app and directly on the device. Now we will show you how to customize the data screens directly on the watch. You can customize the data fields on each activity profile. Begin by pressing the Start-Stop button. Select a profile that you would like to edit by pressing the Start-Stop button again. For this video, we will be using the Run profile. Next, press and hold the Up button to access the menu. Then select Run Settings. The name here may vary depending on which profile you have selected. Now select Data Screens. Press the Up or Down button to scroll through and choose which screen you would like to edit. You can change the data fields and rearrange the layout. To do this, simply select Layout. Here you can choose the number of data fields that will display as well as the position. You can choose from 1 to 6 data fields. Press the Start-Stop button to confirm the layout. Now that you've chosen the number of data fields to display, you can customize the data fields. Press the Start-Stop button and select Data Fields. Use the Up and Down buttons to scroll, and press the Start-Stop button to select the data field you want to change, or simply tap an option. Then scroll through a list of data field categories. Select a category by pressing the Start-Stop button. Then scroll through the data field options for that category. Press the Start-Stop button to make your selection. Repeat these steps to customize each data screen. Once you have perfected your data fields, you can use the Back button to return to the activity profile. And that's it. You can now change the data fields on your Forerunner 265 watch. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.